Hello and welcome back to Robotics with Om sir. In this video, I will show you how to download and use FFmpeg in Windows. So to download, let's get started. Search for FFmpeg and here you will get official website of. Go here and go to downloads. Just click on download and here you will get or Windows. So there are two exe files. One is from gan.dev. So I mostly prefer gan.dev. So just open it and we will install the latest one. So FFmpeg git full 7-zip. I will use this. Here in detail it is mentioned that in which package you are getting which libraries. So make sure that the library you need is included in that. So that is not the issue if you are installing the full version. So use FFmpeg git full 7-zip. So it will need 7-zip software to decompress it. So I will download 7-zip. Click on download. So this software will need if you have to extract this zip file. So we will wait till the download completes. Okay, now it's installed. Just click on open file and here we have to open it in zip file. So I'll go to download and then right click on this. We have to open it by using 7-zip. So just extract all, extract. Yeah, in Windows 11 there is option without 7-zip also you can extract this 7-zip file. If you are using Windows 10 then you have to install 7-zip. Now it's extracted completely. Just double click on this folder and in bin you will find these FFmpeg files. So just copy this, go to C drive, Windows C, and in C drive just create new folder, FFmpeg, then click enter and paste these three files here. Now we will copy this path because we have to add this path in system variables. Before that I will show you in command line. If I run cmd command and then if I enter FFmpeg, it will not give me any output. It's saying that it is not recognized as an internal command. So let's add the path in system variables. Click on start and search for paths. Okay, only path, and edit environment variables for your account. Click on environment variables, click on path, and then here you have to add that path. So I will click on new, paste this path, click OK, and close this environment variables. Now I will close this command prompt and open new command prompt. Now we will try to run FFmpeg. Enter. So it means FFmpeg is installed correctly. It is showing the libraries. You can use FFmpeg -- codecs or codec maybe. Minus codec we will try. Minus codecs we will try. Okay. Now this will show all the codecs which are available in this FFmpeg. So in this way you can install FFmpeg, and in later on in any other video we'll see how we can convert different formats of the videos using command line and FFmpeg extension. So thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.